Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and here in this video I will show you how to drag and autofill alphabet. So if I write here Jan and I drag it to here, it will autofill all the name of the months for me. Same goes for Sunday. It autofills the name of days as I drag. But if I write A here, it won't do same. It will just copy the letter A in all of these cells. So if I want to add A, B, C, D, the list of alphabets whenever I drag, then I will need to create a new list. So in order to do that, go to File, click on Options, and here in this dialog box, select Advanced. Scroll down and go to General. So here in General, you will see this Create a List for use in shorts and fill sequences. Click on this button, Edit Custom List, and a new dialog box will appear. So as you can see that it already has this January, February, March. So you'll need to make a new list here. So again, I will enter the alphabets for one last time. This is only for the list. So I have created a list with all of the letters. Now I will go ahead and go to the same location where I can create a list here. And now I will need to click on this arrow, import list from cells, and I will copy this. Click here and click on import, and you can see that it has a new entries in this list entries. Just click on add and okay. Again, click on okay. Now I will write the first entry, A. So as you can see that we entered the capital lettered alphabets. So it doesn't matter if I enter the small letter, you just need to drag and autofill. If I drag it horizontally also, then it will do the same for me. And that's how you drag and autofill alphabets in Excel. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.